Hi everyone, in previous video we have covered variables in Python. Now today we will start with data types in Python. So what is data types in Python? Python data types are used to define the type of variables. It defines what type of data we are going to store in a variable. In Python, we have the data types are number, set, dictionary, sequence. In sequence, we have string, list, and Python. In number, we have integer, float, boolean, and complex. Set and dictionary are the another data types in Python. We will cover every data types one by one. So first start with the data types of example. So first start with the numeric data type. For example, we have age. So this is a numerical data type. And if we check, age is equals to true. This is a boolean value. And if we take marks equals to 70.67, this is a float value. And moving toward complex number, so we will use the method, and in this we will pass the parameter 9 and assign it to the variable, take it as a, and if we will print it, then it's showing the complex number. What is complex number? Complex number, it is made up of two parts, real and imaginary. These are separated by the plus or minus sign. We can also print age marks. So these are the few example of data types. Now moving forward, we will start with the sequence data type. I will remove it. What is Python sequence data type? Sequence means it is a collection of data type. It is an ordered collection of items. In sequence data type, we have string data type, list data type, and tuple data type. For your concern, I will write the data types name. Sequence data type. It is an ordered collection of items. And in sequence data types, we have string data type, list data type, and another one is tuple data type. So these are the sequence data type. Now moving forward, we will start with string. So what is a string? A string is a sequence of one or more character which is enclosed within the single, double, and triple quotes. For example, we create a variable code equals to, okay, let me create it as a sentence equals to welcome to the series of Python, and print the sentence, run it. So it will print the welcome to the series of Python. Now moving forward, let's take more example of string. If we want to access the element from a string, we can access it by using index. String. So for accessing the index, we will write sentence. If you want to access s, so it will, so we will find the index of that. So we will start with w. It is always the 0th index. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If you will write 15, then let's see what it will print. It will print the yes. So we can access any elements by using index element. And if we move forward for slicing the string, slicing of a string, so we will write print. Okay, let me create another variable for slicing a string. So str, within a string I will write Microsoft Gold. Okay, spelling mistake. Partner. And if we start with the slicing, str from 2, I want to print 6. 6 will be always excluded from the string. So we will start with 0 index, 0, 1, 2. It will print the character from C, and it will move to 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 will be excluded. So it will print cross, CROS. Yeah. Now do more slicing. Print str2. What does it mean? That it will print the character from C to till end. This. And if we check print str, I want to print it, suppose 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 will be excluded. It will print Microsoft. Or we can also write it as print str 0, 9. So it is also print the same. And we can also print it 2 times or multiple times, whatever you will give the number. Print str asterisk 3. So this string will be printed 3 times. And if we want to concatenate, then we will write print str test. So it will add test to the string. Now moving more slicing. print str. I want to print 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I want to print gold, so from 10 to 11 12 13 14. 14 will be excluded, so I should write the 14, so it will print the gold because this space will be excluded from the string. And if we want to reverse the string, just write print str colon -1. It will be increment, it will decrement our string. Oh no, it will print our string in reverse order. See, we can also do slicing from the backward, like print str like if you want to print the python from backward, so we will write the -1 from backward. We start the index with -1 till the number of string. So we will start with -1 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. So I will write -1 to -7. So let's see what it will be print. Okay, first let's print only -1. Let's see what it will give. R. Okay, so we have the Microsoft Gold partner and I'm looking another variable, so that is the reasons. Wait, so I want to print partner for this. Okay, so using slicing I want to print partner, and I want to print the partner from last index. For this I will count from -1 till p. So -1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. So I want to print the partner, so we will take 8 also, so it will print the partner. And we write print str 8. We don't need to include the end element because it will print. So we will try print str. It will print the string from 8, and we should not include the last element index because it will print, we did not need to specify, and it will print the partner. So like that, if we want to print gold, then it will take 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have to print from minus 12 . So this one, the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I want to print gold, so I have to take 13. So it will print the gold because one will be excluded before print str minus 13. I should write here 9. Let's see what it print. Gold means I have to take the 8. And if we want to print only Microsoft, so we will write from minus 22 till 13. Print str minus 22 minus 13. So this will print the Microsoft. Now moving forward, we will start with the string methods. Now moving forward to string method. First we have capitalize method. What capitalize method will do is that it will uppercase the first letter of the string. First we create a variable and write any string like data type in Python, and if we print the text using capitalize method, we will see the data types in Python only D will be in a uppercase because it will uppercase the first letter. See, the data type only the first letter is in uppercase. Now moving forward, there is another method that is cascade. This cascade method will do is that make the string in the lower case. For example, we can write any string like programming in Python, then we will print it. Cascade. Then then it will show the programming in Python in lowercase. And if we take another variable lower text 1 equals to Python, and just let me copy this. And if we print lowercase text 1 variable, then it will be also in the it will also give the same output programming in Python in lowercase. Now moving to the center method, it will return the string in center. For example, we have another text that is indexed. We will print the text dot center, and we will give the value. Either it can be 10 or you can give 20. So it now whatever we value give, it will center our text according to our values, like that. Now moving forward, count. What count will do is that it returns the times of specified values occurs in a string. Means in a string, whatever in a string there is the string which is repeated multiple times, so it will count that string. Let me explain with you example. Text 2 equals to I love guava. Guava is my favorite fruit. So it will count the string which is repeated like guava. It will repeated in 2 times. So when we print it, text2 dot count, it will print 2 because guava is repeated in a string is 2 times. At least one arguments. Okay, I have to pass the argument guava. Then it will print 2, and if we write there fruit, then it will count 1. And if we write make changes there, and we write of them, it will print 3 times. It will count love 3 times. Now moving forward, we have another method in Python that is encode. Let's create another variable and just write I have taken the string, and when we print it, text dot encode, then it will give the encode. It will return the encode version of string. And there is another method that is ends with. What ends with will do is that it return true if the string ends with an specified values. Let me explain it with the example. We have a string. Oh wait. Welcome to my world. And when we print the variable using in ends with method, and we give the value that is full stop, then it will give true. It will return the true because it ends with the full stop. Ends with. So it is giving the true, and if we pass there 2, then it will return false. Now moving forward with another string method, that is expand tabs. Expand tabs method will do it set the tab size of a string. For example, we have an string and print text dot expand tab. And we give the space for 2, so it will take the space of 2 for when we run it, then we can see HELLO hello. So there is an space for 2. It will expand using 2, and if we write 1, so it will increase the space whatever values you will give. So I'm putting the 2. Okay. Now there is another method of string, that is format. In format, it basically specified the value of string. For example, text equals to, we write an string for only cost 2f. Here 2f is the float. It will give the cost into the float data type. So then we write dollars, and we print it text format and write cost equals to 100. Now moving forward, index and find methods. Both method work same. Both method what it is both method work same. It search the string for specified values and return the position of where it was found. For example, print text, and we will use the index method, and in this method we will write welcome. So it will return the position of an string. For example, like we have hello, so we will start with the index that is 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the index of welcome is 7, and if we print the text using find method, then it will also work the same. WCUN welcome, and if I write that 2, so 8 10 11 12 13 14, so the index of 2 is 15. So both method work the same. Moving forward is alpha. This method returns the true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. For example, giving the string Python and print this text using is alpha method. So it will return true, and if we pass We will check with the number, then it will return the false because this is not an alphabet. Now moving forward with is l num. This is the method of a string, and we will create an example using text variable and write an alphanumeric number, company, and we'll write this one. Print that text using is lnum. So it will return true because it is an alphanumeric value. Using is lnum, it will print true and if we write another character, then it will return false because these are not alphanumeric. Now moving forward, there is another method that is decimal. It will return true if all characters in a string are decimal. For example, we have decimal string, whatever number we can give, and if we print this, then it will return true. So if we have decimal string and we have also written the string that is Python, so it will return the false because this is not a decimal. Now moving forward is digit method. It will check whether the given string is digit or not. So there is a mistake. Now it is true because the given string is number, and let's remove that. Now there is another method that is is identifier. It will return true if all string is a valid identifier. For example, it will return true, but if we use invalid identifier, then it will return false. The invalid identifier, we can write 1, and when we print it, then it will return false. Now there is another method, that is lower. It will check the given string is in lower or not. So let's check the example lower string. We have hello Python, and print lower string dot is lower, then it will return true because the given string is in lower. And then create another variable and we give hello Python. It will return false. Moving forward, there is another string method, that is printable. Is printable, it returns true if all characters in the string are printable. For example, string welcome, then this will return true. And if we create another variable and we will give any like this, and then we will print it, then it will give false. Using a special character is also printable, so if we write and then it will return false, right? Now there is another method of string that is space. It will check the given string is have the space or not. And is space method, it will return true if all the characters in the string are white space. For example, we have white space string equals true, and when we will print dot is space, it will return true. Hello, and then print this. Let me copy. Then it will print false because it does not contain any white space. Moving forward to another method that is upper. It will check the given string is in uppercase or not, and it will return true if it is in uppercase. For example, just take a string welcome and print it will return true, and if it is in lowercase, then it will return false. Now there is a method in a string that is join. What the method join, it will convert the elements of an iterable into a string. Let me explain it with example. Create a list, and in a list we have an fruits name that is apple, cherry, banana, and create a variable that is separator. You can separate it with comma and print separator dot join, and we pass our variable that is list. Moving forward with another method, that is ljust. This is the method of a string in Python. It will return a left justified version of a string. For example, we have a string that is hello, and we can create a variable width and let assign 6, and when we will print string dot ljust and we pass the width and then we run it, then it will 6, it will give 1. Let me check. So whatever the string we have after hello, it will fill it with dash. Now we have another method, that is lower. It will return the string in lowercase. For example, we have another lower string and we write so the string will be converted into the lowercase. Same it will do for the upper. It will return the string into uppercase. For example, we have upper string and we write welcome to the world. Print dot upper. Moving forward to another method, that is lstrip. It will trim the string from left side. For example, we have a string that is welcome and print the string using let me give some space from left and right, so it will trim the string from the left side. Same it will do for another method, but it will trim from the right side. For example, take another string, same string, welcome. Print that string using rstrip method. Then it will trim from the right side. There is another method that is replace in a string. Replace it is a method which return a string when a specified value is replaced with a specified values. For example, we have an string hello beautiful Python, and when I print the string it will return the same. And if I want to print world instead of Python, then we can replace Python with world using replace method. Print string dot, there is a method that is replace. So replace with what? Python with world. Moving forward with more method of string in Python, that is rfind. Rfind, it search the string of a specified value and return the last position of where it was found. For example, we have an hello world, so we will find the O, so it will give the last position of the O in whatever it will find in the string. Rfind. For example, just take an string. Okay, let me take same string. Same string, just remove Python. We will print a string using the method that is rfind. It will find the last occurrence of whatever we will provide the character of a string. So I'm giving hello. Let's check what it will give. So it will give 14 position. And if we write hello world, okay, hello beautiful world, and I give there wait 0 then it will take this last occurrence of specified values. then when it will return the zero position of the character which is found at last occurrence. So when we count the index of that string, it will give 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. It will give 17. It is 18. 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Just 17. There is another method, that is R index. Both are same. Both are giving the last occurrence of a specified value in the string. So just take the same example. So it is also give the same values, that is 17 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. It will give 17. There is another method, that is rjust. This method returns a right justified version of a string. For example, we have a string that is hello, and we give the width, that is 10, and when we print the string using rjust, and we pass the value width, comma, so it will fill from the left it will fill from the left side. It will fill from the right side. There is another method, that is rsplit. It will split the string from the right side. For example, we have hello world and print that string using rsplit. It split the string from the right side, and if you want to split the string from right side, then print string dot I think there is no method for it. Now moving forward with another method, that is rstrip. It will return a right trim version of the string, means it will trim the string from the right side. For example, we have a string that is Python programming. And we print this string using rstrip method. Now moving to the another string, that is start with method. This method will return true if the string start with a specified value. For example, it will check the string start with the specified values or not. For example, we have a string and we will write the Python programming. Print, and we will write a string and use the method that is start with, and we will specify the value, that is Python. Then it will return true, and if we will provide their programming, then it will return false. Now moving forward, strip method, it will trim the string from both sides. For example, we have a string that is hello world. And when we print the string dot using strip method, now moving forward with swap case. This swap case this method convert lower case into the upper and upper to the lower case. For example, we have right, lower string equals to Python and print that lower string dot using swap case, then it will convert it into the uppercase, and then create another variable that is Python, and when we print it with upper string using swap case method, then it will convert into the lower case. So this is work as a vice versa. Now moving forward, that is another method, that is title. It converts the first string of each word to the uppercase. For example, we have a text and we write welcome to my world, and then print text dot title. Then it will convert the first occurrence of letter like W, T, M and W in uppercase. Now moving to another, that is translate. It returned the translated string, which means that if we want to convert some character, like we have S and we want to convert into the P, so we use the character, like let me explain with the example. Create a dictionary, that is, and we will write 83. 83 is an ASCII code of S, and there is another that is 80, it is the ASCII code of P. So we will write text equals to hello Sam. So it will convert S to the P using that translate method. So print this text using translate, and we will pass the my dictionary, and when we will check, so it will return the hello Pam. Now there is a last method, that is zfill. Zfill means it will fill the string with a specified number of zeros values at the beginning. For example, we have an text equals to 60, and we print text dot zfill, and I want to fill 0 with 10 0. so it fill the 0 before 60. So these are all the methods of a string in Python which I have discussed now. So in coming videos we will start with the list data type.